Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best Meepo skateboard on the market, the Meepo Campus V5 Series electric skateboard. If you're new to electric skateboarding or looking for a reliable and fun ride, this board is designed to be a perfect entry-level option for beginners and teens alike. The Meepo Campus V5 stands out with its compact design, featuring a 26.7-inch deck that is not only easy to carry but also convenient for storage. This smaller size makes it ideal for short commutes or casual rides around town. Despite its compactness, the board is built strong with a 7-ply maple deck, providing a sturdy and stable platform that comfortably supports riders up to 150 pounds. The deck's material is responsibly sourced, being FSC certified, which is a nice touch for those conscious about sustainability. What makes this board particularly beginner-friendly is its smooth and controllable performance. The Campus V5 offers 4 distinct speed settings through an intuitive wireless remote control, allowing riders to start slow and gradually increase their speed as they gain confidence. The remote itself is ergonomic and simple to use, featuring clear controls that make switching between speeds seamless. In its Pro mode, this board can reach speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour. Fast enough for fun but still manageable for those just starting out. Safety and reliability are a big focus for Meepo, and the Campus V5 doesn't disappoint. It uses a new generation lithium battery system with smart monitoring on each battery module to ensure stable and safe operation. The battery is UL 2272 certified, meeting strict safety standards, which means you can ride and charge with peace of mind. With a range of about 8 to 10 miles on a full charge, it's perfect for extended rides without worrying about running out of power quickly. While the Campus V5 is ideal for beginners and lighter riders, those who are more experienced or weigh over 150 pounds might want to explore the more powerful V3 Max or V5 series from Meepo. These models offer increased speed and stronger motors suited for heavier loads and more advanced riding styles. In summary, the Meepo Campus V5 series is a fantastic introduction to electric skateboarding. Its combination of a compact yet durable deck, user-friendly remote with multiple speed settings, solid safety features, and respectable range makes it a well-rounded choice for anyone looking to get started. Whether you're a teen or a beginner adult, this skateboard offers a balanced ride that builds your skills without overwhelming you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're considering an electric skateboard, the Meepo Campus V5 is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews and insights. Ride safe and see you next time.